बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। BN एवेन्यू के प्लेटफॉर्म से वीडियो जिसका टाइटल है करंट अफेयर्स अप्रैल 2021 पार्ट 3। अगर आप किसी भी टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अहम हो सकती है। एक दफ़ा इसको ज़रूर पढ़ लें। आइए बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन की तरफ। क्वेश्चन 1 है, हु बिकम द फर्स्ट एवर हिंदू वुमेन डिप्टी सुप्रीडेंट ऑफ पुलिस DSP इन सिंध पुलिस? इसका आंसर है सी, मनीषा त्रिपाठी। Question 2. Russia's space agency said on April 20, 2021 it hoped to launch its own orbital station in 2025 as Moscow considers withdrawing from the International Space Station program to go it alone. Question 3. What is the name of the farthest Gamma-ray emitting galaxy that has been discovered recently? इसका आंसर है A, Narrow Line Cepheid 1. Question 4. Operations in the Parliament should be digitalized completely by Jan 2023 as this will improve the efficiency, transparency and response of the government toward important matters, President Dr. Arif Alvi said on April 21, 2021. Question 5. Which country is set to release more than 1 million tons of contaminated water into the sea from its decommissioned nuclear power plant? इसका आंसर है बी, जापान। Question 6. New system for cargo clearance launched. The Federal Board of Revenue Pakistan Custom Wing has introduced a new automated process in the Web Board One Customs WEBOC system for scanning of contracted import consignment of the industrial raw material for speedy clearance at ports. The non-intrusive inspection system has been implemented initially at Karachi International Container Terminal, South Asia Pakistan Terminal of Karachi Port and Qasim International Container Terminal, Port Qasim with effect from April 19, 2021 for इंडस्ट्रियल रॉ मटेरियल। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास 7. द इकोनॉमिस्ट इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट EIU in partnership with Facebook has released the Inclusive Internet Index 2021. Pakistan has been ranked at which spot globally? इसका आंसर है डी, 90। पहले नंबर पर स्वीडन है, दूसरे पर यूनाइटेड स्टेट है और तीसरे पर स्पेन है। जो अभी रिपोर्ट चाहिए हुई है इसमें। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन 8. UN चाइनीज लैंग्वेज डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एनुअली ऑन? आंसर है इसका 20 अप्रैल एवरी ईयर। क्वेश्चन 9. मरी रेस्ट हाउस इज गिवन टू टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट. द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट हैज हैंड ओवर इट्स 3 रेस्ट हाउसेज इन मरी to the tourism department under an agreement for promoting tourism while generating revenue through the existing government infrastructure. Question 10 है, recently which country cricket star banned for 5 years from all cricket? इसका आंसर है UAE और उस क्रिकेटर का नाम है कदीर अहमद खान। Question 11 है, province seek army assistant to enforce COVID SOPs. With the number of COVID-19 cases over 5,000 for more than a week, all provinces as well as Azad Jammu Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan have services of the armed forces to get the standard operation procedure enforced. On the other hand, 1 million more doses of COVID-19 vaccine reached Pakistan from China on April 25, 2021. Question 12. When 2021 edition of Wisdom Cricketer Almanac was published? इसका आंसर है C, April 15, 2021. Wisdom Cricketer Almanac is a cricket reference book published annually in the United Kingdom. The 2021 edition of Wisdom Cricketer Almanac. Question number 13. Which country topped in the 2020 World Press Freedom Index released by the Reporter Without Border RSF? इसका आंसर है सी, नॉर्वे। क्वेश्चन है 14, what is the name of Pakistan e-sports player who has won the international We Play Ultimate Fighting League Tekken 7 tournament? इसका आंसर है अरसलान एच सिद्दीकी, ए आंसर है। Question 15, KP Assembly adopt resolution on Facebook monetization. The KPK Assembly has adopted a resolution aimed at allow Facebook monetization in Pakistan, moved by MPA Ziaullah Shah Bangish of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. The resolution recommended to the provincial government to ask the federal government to take steps to turn on Facebook monetization so that its users, especially the youth, could benefit from the positive use of the media platform and earn money. Question 16 है, as per a recent report available on Global Forest Watch, which region lost 12.2 million hectares of tree cover in 2021? इसका आंसर है ए, ट्रॉपिकल रीजन। क्वेश्चन 17 है, which Pakistani cricketer named among wisdom 5 cricketer of the year 2021? इसका आंसर है डी, मोहम्मद रिजवान। Question number 18, Charles, who recently passed away, was the founder of which computer software company? इसका आंसर है ए, Adobe। Question number 19, who became the first European country to stop using the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine altogether? इसका आंसर है डी, डेनमार्क। Question 20 है, when US House passes bill make Washington DC 51 state? इसका आंसर है 22 अप्रैल 2021, सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2021 वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स रिलीज्ड बाय रिपोर्टर विदाउट बॉर्डर RSF, पाकिस्तान रैंक्ड डैश आउट ऑफ 180? इसका आंसर है ए, 145। Question number 22, one Prime Minister Imran Khan addressed the 77th annual session of UNESCAP. इसका आंसर है ए, अप्रैल 26, 2021। इसकी डिटेल, the 77th session of ESCAP will be held virtually from April 26 to 29. Question 23, Prime Minister Imran Khan on dash appointed Farooq Habib as Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting. इसका आंसर है अप्रैल 29, 2021, सी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।